Okay guys, so we're here with the 85 RX7 again. I've actually been in the middle of filming a carburetor video, which will actually probably be a long time before that goes up because I've been having a lot of issues. But I'm at a standstill with that at the moment. So there's this. Y'all probably noticed it in videos before how bad my battery tie down is, and it's been bad for a long time. I've redone it multiple times, like stripped it all the way down, repainted it, and the corrosion always keeps coming back. So, in this video, I will be making a new one. Okay guys, so I got it out of the car. As you can see more closely here, it is bad. And I'm pretty confident I have chemically changed this metal because no matter how much I clean it, it gets this bad again almost immediately. So I will be remaking it. The first thing I'll be doing is making the rod part. So I will use this rod and then I will bend it up to match this, and then I'll cut this up and weld it all together. Then after that I will be cleaning up the battery tray and the battery so it can all go back in and be nice and clean once again. So I'll set y'all up while I make this that shape. Okay guys, here's the rod. I have a little thing to lock it into the car, and then a loop for the tie down. It matches almost perfectly to the old one. So now what I'll need to do is cut up the angle iron and then weld it on to this so that it can hold it down onto the battery tray. Okay guys, so I got the thing all set up. I measured the angle iron here from the distance to here as same as the old one. I'll tack it up and then we'll go measure where the other one needs to be and we'll weld it on there. I already cleaned the metal, so don't worry about that. Okay guys, so now we're setting up for the other piece of angle iron. So you can see this is the one that's welded. I just set it on here, and I'll be just marking on this top rod right here where the second piece of angle iron needs to go. I'll just mark the front of it so that way I can clean the bottom and then we can just go ahead and weld it on. Okay guys, so here's the battery tray. As you can see, it has a lot of that corrosion on it. So I'm just going to go through, give you all a time lapse. I'm going to clean it up and paint it so that when it goes back in the car, we won't have to worry about the corrosion. Okay guys, so now we're going to paint it. I'm just going to use some of this double thick. Didn't have any black, so it's going to be gray. This stuff's pretty good. It's strong, and it sprays on thick. So we will go ahead and spray this on there. Okay guys, so I got the battery tray back in there. It's all painted up. I even painted around, I cleaned up and painted a little bit on the car as well, just to get any spots where the corrosion had touched. So now all that's left is to get the battery and the freshly painted tie down on there, and then hook up the battery cable. So one thing I want to tell y'all before I show you it all put together, y'all should get these. So initially this is kind of what stopped the corrosion from being, like when y'all saw at the beginning, that was not as bad as this corrosion has been before on this. Before I had these, the corrosion would come back instantly. All these do is just little fuzzy things that go down over the battery. It stops the corrosion. I'm going to be honest, I don't know why. And then it has some dielectric grease, which you should always put on your terminals before you put it on. So I would suggest they're like $1. Just put them on there. It really does work. So it's all put back together now. So much cleaner. You can see the gray paint down there. The battery's clean. Got some dielectric grease on there. Got the fuzzies on there. Battery clamps are nice and tight. The thing literally fits perfectly. It actually fits better than the old one did. So that's going to be it for this. It was kind of nice to just, even though it was a super simple fabrication, it was fun to just make something new again. So that's going to be it for this one. It's probably a short video, but hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll show y'all all more little fiddly bits like this I do for the car.